Hey guys, so this is me installing an LED ambient light for this Brera, and you know, you can hide this thing really good. So you see this here, this is the button which goes into the lightning like this here, and so if you don't want to use it, just can like put it in here like this, and then you close it, and so it's gone. I like that because, yeah, if you want to have some ambient light, you just clap it on, and then you stick it in here. So if you want to do it like this, you have to get this cable through here. You see, there's a little hole. This is a little hole in my car here, so you have to put this cable through, and just with this hand you have to go in here all the way down. Yeah, it's like fingering. So you have to go here and just try to grab the cable somehow. I have a really big hand, and I made it. So yeah, if you make that, you have to just pull it through. See this? And the next step is to get this cable through here. And if you want to have a good way, see down here, you can just pop that off a little bit, and you put this cable through. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I hope you can see this. So this is the first one, the short one. I'm gonna get this through right here. I'm just gonna bend this a little bit, and then it will come here. You see this? Goes right through. First one, you have to keep the right sides. Yeah, see, this is my two sides. So the other one, get them through. Pull a little bit, don't pull it too hard. Okay, just have to pull them through. So if everything's working, it has to look like this. Yeah, you see these cables here, 2 to the right and 2 to the left, and so I got this cable under this part here and through my plastic. You can pop it on again. Well, if you got this through here, just get the cables as far as you can. So this is going to be here, yeah, and these cables you can put like this here. Okay, just make sure these cables don't go like this. Okay, just like this, and then you put this thing over your thing. Just get the white one in, black one in. So got everything, just testing. Okay, so let's put this on again. Just pop this right in, just give it a little like this. Okay, so you just put this under here, and then you can put this under here, and we'll see a little bit of putting this cable here to the front. You see, just put it under here, just leave it here, and yeah, well, just put it on here. You see, in here there's a, you don't even have to glue it on this side, you just can leave it like that. See, it's enough coming out. Stick somewhere where you don't see it.